Hi everybody, it's Catherine from In the Pink Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and my project today uses a lot of the goodies from the new annual catalog. I used Sweet as a Peach stamp set and the peach dies, which is a bundle. You can get a discount if you buy the bundle right now. I used Encircled in Beauty dies, which I love. I'm just going to show you. This is one of them. Oh, I bent it in half because I didn't know what I was going to do, but this is this one here is this one. The one I used for the top of my box today is this one, which goes right there, and oops. And then we have these, which this is an outline, and then you have the inner circle of it that also cuts, and then this little one in here like that one. They're really lovely, and they're really not too hard to get the pieces out. The pieces fall pretty nicely. So I just wanted to give you a little look at that. And also the layering circle dies, which we already have had, but they carried over. If you haven't seen the designer series paper yet, I'll give you a little look. I used these first two pieces. That one. So pretty. I do love this DSP a lot. Now I think you could cut, yeah, you can cut some of these peaches with the dies, the larger ones. Okay, but I used the stamp set today for that. Okay, and this is I used the Clever Clasp, which are still available, and the Papaya open weave ribbon. This here is a little die from the peach dies, which I love. And this has a whole bunch of little fruit candies, some Mentos and some of the little filled candies, and a gift card in there. So I thought that that was perfect little treat to give with this adorable stamp set. And then I just took I folded well, you'll see, I folded the doily first, and then you put the box together, put this over the middle, pop that on, and then I just tucked you could tie it onto the bow too if you wanted to. Okay, so for this project we need a piece of Pear Pizzazz that is 8 inches by 5.5, which means you can get 2 of these out of each piece of cardstock. We need one of the doilies cut, this one, cut out of the green designer series paper. We need a circle and a scallop circle from the layering circle dies. The circle is about 1 7/8, and this is from Soft Sea Foam, and this is from Pear Pizzazz. We need a scrap of basic white for the stamping. We need the little label cut out of the basic white. And we need 2 pieces of designer series paper that are 2.5 by 4.5. All right, so that's pretty much all we need besides the stamping. Alrighty, so we're going to start with our cardstock. Okay, and we're going to start on the 8-inch side, and we're going to score at 1, 3 3/4, 4 3/4, and 7.5. And we're going to turn it to the 5.5-inch side and score it at 1. Okay, and I'm just going to fold and burnish. Okay. And this is what we're going to do. This is really quite a simple box, or you could call it a bag too. All right. So we're just going to tab out the squares and cut off this piece, and that's it. Alrighty. So we're looking at it with the 1-inch piece at the bottom and the skinny rectangle on the right hand side. Okay, and we're going to take off this bottom one and wedge to the piece above it. Okay, then we're going to go to the other side of this rectangle, and we're going to cut that straight and cut straight the other rectangle edge. And then we're just going to wedge these tabs, wedge this into a tab. Okay. And then we're going to move to the other side of that rectangle, cut that side straight, and wedge this one. And the last thing we're going to do is just wedge a little bit off of this top piece. Okay. And that's it for that. Okay, now we're just going to get our 2 pieces of designer series paper that are 2.5 by 4.5, and we're going to attach them here and here. Okay. And we need a piece of tear and tape, and we're going to put it on the skinny rectangle as close to the score line as we can get it. Backing off, and then we're going to close one side and close the other side on top of it. Okay, so now this is our back, so this is our front. So we're going to put down the side tabs and the back, right? Yeah. And this is where we want our tear and tape. Now this time we're going to put it close to the edge. And if you're going to put something heavy like a punch in here, one of our smaller punches, I would put 2, or use liquid glue on the bottom. Okay, now we want to put our goodies in. And this, I had only 12 pieces, so there's 6 and 6. I think you could fit a bunch more in there. And then I need the gift card. Alrighty. And then you're going to push with your pointer and squeeze with your thumb and middle finger. And just kind of guide it to where it needs to go. Alrighty, and that's the whole box. Alright, now we're going to take the piece of doily that we cut out using the, I still don't know the names, Encircled and Beauty dies. And what I did is I just found the matching across from it. But you could just draw, why can't I find it today? Well, actually, it doesn't exactly go across from each other in some spots. But just make sure that it's right in the middle. But you could put it on your scoreboard and score it before you bend it, just to make sure that everything is nice and even. Okay, then I'm going to, oops, close my box and just squeeze it at first so that it'll work its way out on the sides here. Yeah. Okay, and then we just need a clever clasp, which these are still available. They are retiring the end of June. Okay. Alrighty, and that's our box part. Now we're going to do some stamping. Alrighty, and we're going to use the large peach image. And we're going to start with some pale papaya. Just put it on there, get it nice and juicy, and then we're going to open up Mango Melody. And I'm going to use one of our old sponges, which we don't have anymore, but you can get sponges in a lot of places. And I'm just going to try to put a little bit of this, just going to dab it along the edges so that it's a little bit darker on the edges and the pale papaya is more in the middle. So let's see how that comes out. Ooh, I should be using my Stampin' Pierce mat. I forgot. Oh, yeah, that's pretty nice. It's not as dark as in here. I don't know what it is they used on that, what color that is, but these are the colors that they say are in the Designer Series paper, so that's why I picked them. Alrighty, so, oh, we still need the pale papaya. And we need a piece of scrap. And I'm going to get the 3 flowers. And this is nice. It cuts 3 separate flowers, but the dies cut 3 separate flowers, but they're all together, so you don't have to figure out each one. And I stamped off just so that these are a little bit lighter than the peach. Okay. And then I used this little middle right here for the middle, and I did that in full strength pale papaya. Okay, and then we just need the leaves, which we used Pear Pizzazz for. I should stop saying we used. I used. And there we go. And now I'm just going to get my dies and I will be right back. Okay, so now I've got all my bits. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the soft seafoam circle and I'm going to glue it on top of the scallop circle. About right in the middle. I'm going to pop that out with dimensionals. And for the little leaves, I'm just going to put a little glue right there and a dimensional right here. All right, so we want just a little glue on the bottom. I'm going to try to get a dimensional in right there. It might not, it might overlap, but we'll see. Alrighty. Oh, we're good. Alright, and yeah, the dimensional is going to come out a little bit. And I'm going to put one, there we go. I'm going to just put a little piece on the, you could put a mini here, I guess, but I'm just going to use up the edges. Okay. And then I'm going to put this, I'm just going to center it from side to side, in the middle sideways, and from the bottom of the doily down. Okay, that's good. All right, and then we need to do this, basically the same thing. Now I just used the largest and the smallest of these. And I'm just gonna put that one like right there touching. So I just need dimensionals over here. Right, what did I say now? I forgot. Right here. I need one. That should do it. I'm going to put a little bit of glue at the top where it's going to touch the peach. Okay. And then this one I'm just going to put also a dimensional on the bottom, a piece of one. And a little bit of glue on the top. And I'm just going to overlap that a little bit we need to stamp our sentiment. And this one is To a Sweet Friend. So what I did do, because this one's already finished and cut out with the die. This one is from the peach dies. I just stamped it with Tuxedo Black Ink, and then I just put the die on top of it and cut it out. But I wanted you to see me stamp it. Alrighty, so what I did with this is I put my finger a little bit in front of the 2 and bent it back. Alright, and then I took a bone folder and just kind of curled it just a little bit, and then I can tuck it right underneath and have it still stick up a bit. And then we need some pale papaya open weave ribbon, and I'm just going to make a small bow if I can. And I'm just going to use a glue dot to attach it to the clever clasp. Right in the middle. Okay. And I used some of the Genial Gems. And I put 2 in the middle of these flowers. And I used large ones for both, even though this one's a small flower. Well, let's see. Let's put a little one in there. Yeah, that's fine. I put a big one and a small one on this one. And that's it. And that is the Sweet as a Peach bundle and the Your Peach Designer Series paper. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I appreciate it. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I would love it if you would purchase your Stampin' Up! Supplies with me. My address is at the top of the screen, cathryn.tiemann.stampinup.net. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.